Muscle Car Corner bringing you kind of an oddball build here. It's an 8-lug bird, Firebird, 8-lug wheels. It's got some goodies in the motor. It's got side pipes. I like the color. It's kind of a cool build, like kind of an old school build. Eight-lug wheels. They put the spindles and everything on it, and a rear out of a Catalina or something to get that. Thrush exhaust. Super cool. 4-speed. Looks like a fun car. Was an original 326 car. Hearst 4-speed emblem. Well, I'll tell you what, that's kind of a neat bird, I tell you. I like it. The 8-lug bird. All right, Muscle Car Corner out here at Daytona National Speedway. Gonna be bringing it to y'all. Stay tuned for more. Thank you so much.